inequality wants us to match this system to the graph. So we're going to need to use our ghost. So I know that one of the ghosts has lines under his eyes. That's Mr. Phil. The other ghost does not. And so that tells us if it's solid or dashed. Then we also need to use the up, down, which is this and this. That tells us if it's up or down. So looking at this first equation right here, I don't need to do Yolanda because it starts with y, then that inequality symbol. So what I need to do, though, is this symbol right here, I need to figure out, is it dashed or solid? Well, this one has lines, this one does not. So I'm going to go with this one, and Mr. Phil is a solid line, so we're going to say solid. Then we need to say, well, which one matches this? That matches down, not up. So it looks like this. So we are going to put down here. Now, the second one is not y equals or y less than or greater than. So we would have to do Yolanda, but we're not going to do Yolanda. We're going to do a shortcut. We're going to say, would I divide by a negative? Yes, I would divide by a negative. And because of that, I need to flip it. This is important. I need to flip. So if I flip it, it would become just this. So let's look at our ghost again. Look at the eyes. There's no line under it, so that is Mr. Phil. So this should be a dashed line. And then I need to figure out, is it up or down? Well, this symbol right here goes with the up. So I know I would shade up. So now we just need to look at our graphs. Solid and down. So let's start with solid and down. The solid is right here, and the shading is not down. So that one is not it. I'm going to just cross this one out already. Let's look here. The solid, it is shaded down, so that could be it. But this one, there's no shading below this solid line. So I'm also crossing this one out. Here, below the solid, those work. So we're down to 2 graphs. Now we need to look at the dashed, and it has to be up. So this one's a little trickier because that dashed line is kind of steep. So what I like to do is go straight up from the line. No matter where I go, which one got in the shaded area? So if I go straight up here or straight up here, there's no shading. So this one is out. And then if I go to this one and I go to the very bottom and I go straight up, I'm in the shaded area. So this is my answer.